I'm going to show you 4 ways to make money using Google Maps, and all you have to do is just to follow exactly what I am doing step by step. And nice thing about this method is anyone around the world can do this. Welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel we make money online, and if you are interested in making money online, you might consider subscribing in this channel and comment on what you are interested in. And guys, do remember, it doesn't matter where you come from, who you are, you too can make money online. Thing that you need to do, you go to Google and type Google Map. It will open, and then once it opens, it will show a map like this. So it doesn't matter where you are around the world, this method will work. So let's say, for example, you choose salons. It will open all the salons that are available around your country. If you do not want to see services in your country, you can just select the area that you want to see. So for me, around me, these are the salons that are available. Then where you see the landmarks, the red landmarks on your right hand side, you'll see those places. And then I'm going to use an example of a plumbing business. So already I can see the landmarks there. These are the businesses that are sponsored. Some of them are just ranking high on Google. You can just open it and see exactly what the business is all about. But then we do need to check very carefully what they are all about. So let's look at the reviews. You see the reviews for this one are very good, guys. 4.8, it's a good rating. And then you can see even what the company cars, the website, the numbers, and all we're interested in here is the email, the cell phone number, even the website. So let's go to their website so we can see what type of website they have. And also you can just also capitalize on that and start making money. You get the contact details, you can send them an email. So you need to find a way to contact this business. But then guys, don't focus on businesses that their ranking, those rankings are good. Look for businesses where the ranking is low, because we want to help those businesses that are struggling. So when I look here, I see Maverick Plumbers as 31 only. So you see, then you open a Google sheet and then you just type name, cell phone number, and email, and then you do a list of all those companies or businesses that are here. So let's just copy this and then we'll go back and paste. And then when we are done pasting and created a list, then we'll have all the numbers. We can communicate with those people. But do not worry, you do not need to have the skill. There are people who have the skill to assist you. You'll just buy the skill, or if you want, you can learn, and I will show you both methods. So the next thing I want you to do is to go to Fiverr. Fiverr, it is a site where you can get people who are professionals on different gigs. For example, if you want someone to write you a book, you can come here. If you want someone to create a logo, you can come here. So just search for Google Maps, and then you'll see these are the services that are offered. Like, for example, if your business profile is suspended, this person can help you recover it. And then you see the rating as well. It's 5 stars. So it's 8, and this person has finished 869 orders. So we can see already that this person is doing well. So you look for such people and at a lower price. So guys, I see the amount is on ZAR. Let me just change it to dollars so that you guys can see the money in dollars. So when you see, look here, you see for $50 you can get one. But now let's look for this one. This one starts from $5. So you just click that gig and then you look for a chat one. So let's look at what this person is offering, looking for someone to help you in local ranking. And those are the businesses, those are the type of services that people want. So you can contact this person and say, okay, I have a business, please do this for this website or for this business, and this person will do the work. And what you are going to charge the person, you're going to charge even $100, $200. You see how easy it is to make $100 a day. So another option you can do, you can create websites. So some of these businesses do not have a website, so you can just look for websites, or even let's start with a logo. So with a logo, you see this person will create logos. But guys, if you want a full video on how to create logos easily and quick and free, I will show you guys. I do know, just comment on the video description and then I'll do a better video which shows you. So you can also switch to seller. Then I am no longer a customer looking for a gig, so I am also a seller. So if you now have the skill of how to do this SEO, create a website, create a logo, you can come and be a seller. Like after doing the video, after creating a video showing you how to create a logo, you can come and become a seller. So the next website I want you to go to is moz.com, because now we need to get the skills. For those of you, create an account and then activate an account, because you will get an email. And then once you get here, you see where it says learn SEO. You can go and learn how to do the SEO for businesses. And then also you can go to a provision, you can just go there. The next site which you can go to is, for those of you who do not want to learn, you can go to follow.netlify. Here you can buy Instagram followers, Instagram likes. So you can even tell those businesses that, okay, I'll create your social media accounts, and then I will also get people to like your social media account. And then the next one is use viral. Here, for those websites, you can just come here and click. If you have 2 sites, you can just pay $14.5. Remember, you charge $100, $200, but then when you get here, you will get reviews from that. The next thing, for those who still want to learn, you can go to Digital Garage. Digital Garage is like it's actually Google Garage, guys. Google Digital Garage. You can go there and then go to the site, and there's so many videos also on YouTube from Google Garage, where you can just go and learn how to SEO, how to claim a website on Google, how to add the business on the business direct, how to rank, make a business a rank. So all of that you can learn, guys, and then you can have the skill and also do the business on Fiverr, get paid on Fiverr, get paid from your clients. Just make sure you look for these businesses. They are everywhere. It doesn't matter where you are. You can look for businesses in Nigeria and assist those businesses. You can look for businesses everywhere, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Guys, you guys are not subscribing and not supporting my channel. You're not commenting, and I am not growing as fast as I'm supposed to grow. And guys, I need you, please subscribe and also like and comment. The algorithm likes that. Thank you so much for always supporting me, for my supporters.